Hey there, today we're going to look at how to draw a rectangle with specific or exact dimensions in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, open AutoCAD software and start a new drawing or open an existing project. Over here, this prepares your workspace for creating a precise rectangle. Then type rectangle or REC into the command line and press enter. After that, this activates the rectangle tool in AutoCAD. Over here, click on a point on the screen to set your base point for your rectangle. Then this becomes the starting corner of your shape. After that, enable dynamic input by pressing F12 on your keyboard. Over here, this allows you to enter dimensions directly near the cursor. Then enter the first dimension, such as width or height, when prompted. After that, this defines one side of your rectangle accurately. Over here, press the Tab key to switch between width and height input fields. Then continue entering the second dimension carefully. After that, press Enter to lock both dimensions and complete your rectangle. Over here, this ensures your rectangle is created with exact measurements. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.